Chocolates, universally cherished for their diverse array of satisfying flavors and textures, have a complex process of production hidden behind their delectable appeal. For manufacturers, the wrapping of these treats presents a particularly intricate challenge, leveraging modern technology. In an age where mechanization is ever present, it is crucial for those in the chocolate manufacturing industry to adapt to the latest technological advancements. By investing in a high-quality chocolate wrapping machine, manufacturers can not only gain a competitive edge but also achieve substantial economic benefits. These machines eliminate the need for labor-intensive manual wrapping, facilitating the daily production of thousands of beautifully wrapped chocolates ready for local or international distribution. Expertise in the field. Companies such as Ammar Machinery possess the necessary proficiency in producing these exceptional chocolate wrapping machines suitable for a wide array of chocolates. The power of customization. The requirements for chocolate wrapping vary greatly among chocolatiers, leading to the preference for different types of machines, such as the chocolate cellophane wrapping machine or the chocolate metallic wrapping machine. The primary objective of these pioneering machines is to aid chocolate producers in customizing their products. For instance, manufacturers of small, square chocolates may benefit from the small pieces wrapping machine, while those producing larger blocks might opt for the WCH 200 from Ammar Machinery, yielding impressive results in chocolate wrapping. Features for superior finishing. Ammar Machinery's chocolate wrapping machines are continually updated with new features to enhance efficiency and speed, allowing for neat wrapping of chocolates without the need for constant supervision. These machines offer flexibility in adjusting the length, centering, or size of the wrapping paper as per your needs, with the capability to store up to 10 different sizes for your convenience. By incorporating these advanced chocolate wrapping machines into your production process, you can significantly boost your productivity and reduce the laborious task of individual wrapping. This leaves more time for you to focus on crafting the chocolates that are made with such dedication and love.